That is my Honda Element, and I've been driving it for a decade, and I generally love it. It fits me, it's great, it goes everywhere, it parks easy. However, there's one thing on it I hate. The locks. I replaced the driver's side twice. Passenger side I replaced once and then just gave up. So now it's time to put in a remote entry. It's supposed to be easy. That's what they all say. I'm going to try and walk you through it and see if it actually is.
Before we get started changing this thing out, if door locks on your Honda Element suck, go ahead and just stick a comment down below so I know just how many of you are having the same damn problem I am.
Okay, the word is that I should be able to get into the part I need right here. Yeah. We'll get there. Okay, there is actually a spot right there to actually connect this thing on, all ready to go. Okay, my little module is up there in place, little metal bracket, and now it's just to pair the key fobs. Okay, the last thing to do is to pair the little key fobs. So to do that, you turn the car to on, not all the way starting, but just to position, hit the start or lock or unlock, turn it off, turn it on, hit the button, turn it off, turn it back on, hit the button, turn it off. Should work about then. That's what worked for me, so hopefully it works for you. All right, so my car door's now, well, they're already locked. There we go. My car door's now unlock and lock at will. No more having to fight with the key. I won't get stuck at the gym again. That's a happy sound. Yay! Something in my life works. All right, if you want to get a remote entry for your Honda Element, I'll throw a link in the comment. If you want to get a remote entry for your Honda Element and give up on changing tumblers and getting locked out of your car because the door lock's broke, I'll stick a link in the description, and I'm telling you, it is worth the maybe half hour to put it in, and the odd 120. I got mine used for 90. Can't beat that. It's cheaper than getting the door locks replaced. All right, thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up if this was useful. And seriously, I'm telling you, just do it. Change out the damn. Put one of these in. It's so much easier. Seriously. All right, thanks for watching. Hit like. Throw a comment in if your Honda Element door locks suck.